and they've done thousands of prototypes of brand new products, and we've had Dyson here now for several years. The fact is, though, they are literally worldwide launching this brand new home, car, and boat handheld vacuum with 3 attachments. Brand new today, $199.99 is the price tag, 5 payments of $40 a month, free shipping and handling on it, and the whole idea is that you don't have to have the whole vacuum or spend $400, $500, $600 to own maybe exactly what you need. And that's why we bring this to you. Let me just say, this is it. We only have 700 of these to go around. It's rechargeable. You're going to get that motorized tool right there. You've got your crevice tool. This is called the combination tool because you can use it with the big wide mouth, or you can bring up the bristles, the soft bristles, and here's your charging cord. All right, let's go on over. Debbie Fedjakov joining me. Hello,
how are you?
Good. This is so super cool.
So exciting. This is brand new. This is the worldwide launch. Yes, we have never had this, and it is Dyson's most powerful handheld vacuum.
Yeah.
So it's engineered to be able to clean all around your home, clean your car. If you're lucky enough to have a boat, take it to the boat, take it to the RV, wherever you need to go. But the power is what is so impressive, right? Because whether it is out in the car and we have these messes, you're going to be able to quickly and easily take care of them. Maybe you're starting to think about doing some spring cleaning, right? Or just even when the spills happen in the kitchen as you're trying to get out the door. Look at how incredibly powerful this is and how easy it is to use.
And the big chunks it picks up.
Absolutely. Big chunks. Now I'm using that combination tool with that wide angle crevice, but look what happens. If I want to dust a tabletop, I slide that brush down and now I'm dusting with my vacuum. So when we talk about really being able to clean your whole home, you know, cleaning all the tables, cleaning the countertops, using this on your upholstery. This has a motor in the attachment. So if you have pets like I do, you'll love that this can pick up that pet hair really quickly and easily. Look at how beautifully clean that is. And again, this is lightweight and compact. It weighs 4.2 pounds.
Okay, 4 pounds. And you get all these different attachments. The combination tool, this is the motorized brush head, and then also the crevice tool. One thing I just want to say, if you have a plug-in vacuum, or maybe even a rechargeable vacuum, but the head doesn't come apart, and so you've always got to have it in the stick mode or in the floor mode, this is why people want this one.
Yeah, I mean, everybody needs a handheld vacuum in their home, right? And for getting in those tight, narrow spaces, this crevice tool does such a great job because it gives you that nice long reach. And then again, you're going to use this on things like your stairs. Look how easy all of the attachments just click right into place. I don't have a cord. This is 4.2 pounds. So now when I want to take this up and down the steps, I don't have to worry about tripping over anything, Mary Beth. There's no cord to tangle up. And look at what a beautiful job this does because it has so much power. It also has up to 50 minutes of runtime.
That's amazing. 50 minutes of runtime. Here's what I want to show you. This is what you get right here. It even comes with filtration, which we can talk about. Also, we're going to show you how easy it is to empty. No bags to buy, no filters to buy. You charge it up. You've got 50 minutes of runtime. You're getting these 3 things. This is going to be your tool that's basically called a combo tool because you can use it with or without the little bristles. You've got the motorized tool. This is what makes it exactly like a vacuum, really. And then you've got the crevice tool as well. Let's go to the car.
Let's go to the car. And that's what we love about this. You're gonna go all throughout your home. You're also gonna go outside and go to the car. We have the combination tool on. So now I'm gonna get the floor mat here. You can see there's, whether it's the crumbs, it's the leaves.
How about the salt?
The salt, oh gosh, it's everywhere right now, right?
Yes.
And this really allows us to quickly and easily clean up all of those areas. If I wanted to dust, you know, think about getting in your car and dusting the vents, dusting the dashboard, even the screen in the middle, because this brush is so soft, you can do that. You can also pop I have a crevice tool hiding behind me. You can pop this on and then get those crumbs and things that have fallen between the seats.
The French fries.
In those cracks and crevices out here in the door. You know, you're going to have a tool for every job on your list. And I just think it's so incredible. Mary Beth, I have never sold a Dyson that starts with a 1.
Well, I was just going to say, I want to talk value for a moment. This is probably the first ever Dyson we brought you at less than $200. $199.
Yes.
It's also on free shipping and handling. That's saving you another almost $13. You can put this on Easy Pay. 5 payments of $40 a month to get this home. Like I said, if you've got a vacuum that either plugs in or the head doesn't come off of the wand, you don't have a handheld vacuum.
Right.
Now you can, and it's Dyson. If you've never owned a Dyson, what a great way to get started without spending $400, $500, $600.
And it's the most powerful handheld that we make. So let's come over here.
Yes.
And we're going to show you what we're talking about. When we talk about power, we have 75 pounds in this tube. Watch how this vacuum is able to lift 75 pounds. So incredible suction power. It's powered by our digital V8 motor, which spins 107,000 revolutions per minute to generate this powerful suction. Look at how it's lifting that weight.
That's amazing. So how much weight is that?
75 pounds.
Oh my goodness. Now, I also want to have you talk a little bit, let's go back over here, about the filter, and also how to empty it.
So important. So this does have whole machine filtration. It's able to capture 99.99% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. So what that means is when you think about the dirt and the dust that you're picking up when you're cleaning or dusting your car, anywhere, these 2 filters, one is here, and then one is on the back, these purple pieces. These are lifetime washable filters, and that's what's capturing the dirt and the allergens.
Right.
All you have to do is rinse them out about once a month if you're using this regularly. Let them dry completely for at least 24 hours, and then look, they just pop right back onto the machine.
Wow.
So you never have to replace them.
Right.
Everything that you're collecting goes in the bin, and I want to show you this lever. What you do is you just lift up on the lever, and then the bottom opens up.
Right.
So everything that you pick up goes into the trash can, and it sort of squeegees itself. So you're not having to reach up into the bin and pull things out. So really easy and simple to operate. Again, really lightweight and compact, so you can take it with you, out to the car, or even I can show you.
As you said. Real quick, I just want to mention, this is the worldwide launch.
Yes.
Right here, right now. This is actually at that price tag of less than $200. I also want you to know we only have 600 left to go around. 600 of these, and that's it. Where else did you want to use it?
So let's go up here because I think this is, we're all starting to dream about warmer weather and, getting our outside spaces ready, right?
Right.
And so because, again, this has no cord, you take it with you where you need it to go.
Yeah.
And so we're out here, maybe it's your porch. Obviously, this is not a wet vac, so I want to be clear about that. You don't want to use it if there's wet messes.
Right.
But if there's dry debris, like this is kind of like bird seed, right?
Yeah.
Or it could be the leaves or whatever. You're going to be able to clean the tabletop. You're going to remember you're going to be able to use the brush for dusting. And then we can change out the tools, and we'll put on this mini motorized tool.
Because maybe it's cat hair, dog hair, anything like that.
Anything. And we're cleaning the porch furniture, but you're going to use this on your couch inside your home as well. You're going to take it out to that porch furniture and deep clean those cushions. This has a motor in the attachment, so you're getting that digital V8 motor power, but you're also getting that motor in the attachment.
Fewer than 600 remain, and then of course you've got the crevice tool, so you can go down inside, in between.
Yep, exactly.
Wow.
In those cushions. Oh, I just found some things that we didn't even put there. Yeah, you're gonna love how easy this is to use. It's that Dyson power that you'd expect. There are 2 modes. I've been using it for every demonstration on this regular suction mode, but
Okay.
there is a max mode. If you need it, you just slide that over so you'll have even more power.
You know, you talked about the car, the home, and boats. You know, I got to tell you, we had a pontoon. We don't have it anymore.
Yeah.
But every spring when we would take the cover off, you know, because it would be bubble wrapped, not, you know, like in that big blue thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, it didn't matter. It was just covered in dust and dirt that got up underneath that plastic during the winter. And even during the summertime, you know, what do people want to do on the boat? They eat. They eat chips, they eat pretzels, they eat stuff.
Of course.
And you know, how do you get a vacuum cleaner out there? A lot of times there's no plug-in. And so this is what you need. And so you might as well get it now while it's at this great price.
And even, you know, when we think about spring cleaning, this crevice tool for your windowsills, you know, when you open the window up that first time, there's always dirt from the winter, flies. Don't touch that. Just use your crevice tool, clean out the windowsills. I mean, you'll find so many areas that you can use this, for sure.
You know what, when it comes to Dyson, you know, a lot of times I think people think, oh, well, it's just so expensive. It doesn't need to be that expensive. But there's a reason why when people ask me, why do I choose a Dyson? It's simply because it always works top notch. You know, you can get a lot of other things and seriously, it doesn't necessarily pick stuff up. Or, you know, all of a sudden it just seems like it's bogging down. That never has happened to me with my Dyson, never. You know, that's the part that I think is truly amazing. Dyson is the name. The price tag is less than $200. 5 easy payments of $40. First of all, if you've never had a Dyson, you'll never know unless you spend the $40 just to get it home and give it a try. You'll get your $40 back if you decide not to keep it. But I got to tell you, you're getting free shipping and handling, and that takes it up to even $13 more that you have saved. This is so brilliant. I love it. We're going to show you some more things that we can clean here.
Well, let's clean the floor mat, right? So it could be the leaves. Soon it'll be the grass clippings. Right now it's the salt. Whatever it is, you're going to take this out to the car. It's going to, instead of putting quarter after quarter in the car wash vacuum, you have your own car detailing vacuum now. Big spills in the kitchen. Even these, I'm going to put it on max mode just so you can see the power. I mean, look at how it just jumps right in. Crafting beads. Look at how it's pulling them in. This is Dyson.
That could be bird food. That could be, you know, especially if you have birds in the house. It could be dog food, kitty litter, you name it.
Yes, and this is Dyson's most powerful handheld. You get up to 50 minutes of runtime, which means, you know, you're going to be able to clean the couch cushions, clean the pillows, refresh the pet beds, right?
And we've got stairs here. 500 remain. I will say really quickly that this one, I believe, has a 2-year warranty.
Yes, it does.
So isn't that awesome? Even at this price, you get a 2-year warranty. And here's what you get. 4 pounds. I mean, literally, 4 pounds.
Right, so light.
So lightweight. You're gonna get your charging cord. It doesn't take that long to charge it up. You get 50 minutes of runtime. You get your combination tool with the big wide mouth frog. I keep like the wide mouth frog, you know? And then the bristles too. And also your motorized head and the crevice tool. This is the first day ever to be able to get this and get it at this kind of price. Less than $200. Brand new worldwide launch. I'm so glad I got to do it.
I know, this was fun.
I love Dyson. I love my Dyson. You know, there are very few things in my house that I would get really excited about. My Dyson is one of them, no doubts about it. By the way, we also have our today's special value, which happens to be from HP. And that